So it's a beautiful day today on this Monday, August 17th. This month is flying by. I'm just out here in nature again with my Tibetan bowl. And I'm just going to connect with nature just to get grounded for the week. Need to do it every day, because every day there's a new challenge. Every day there's something that we have to face. There might be some stress we need to relieve, or things that come up that we get overwhelmed with. So I'm just doing some connecting. And I'll start off with being thankful and showing gratitude. And today I'm thankful. I woke up again. I'm breathing. I'm thankful for a sound mind. I'm thankful for new opportunities that are coming my way. Thankful for a place to sleep, to live. Thankful for family, for friends that became family. I'm just thankful. I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. And I just thank God for everything that I have. I'm so grateful. So grateful. And I've been coming down to this park like for the last few weeks, I would say. Just doing like meditation, and as I've been doing that, I noticed I've been seeing more people come out. Like one day, I heard like the crystal healing bowls that I have, the clear, like frosted ones. I thought I heard it going off, but I thought I was hearing things. And then I ran into these two young ladies that were playing the crystal healing bowl. And I was just amazed because I haven't seen anybody else out here doing anything like that. And then another day, I came out to do my meditation, and I seen somebody else coming out here to do the meditation. And I was like, wow. I was like, are people being attracted down here now that they see me coming? But not saying it's about me, but I mean, the guys that work here, they see me all the time. They wave to me as I walk down the hill. They come down here to connect, with the earth and be grounded. And grounded just simply means connecting with the earth. Like, I got my shoes off, I got my feet on the grass now. I'm able to touch the grass. You can't see me touching it. Grass is in front of me. Maybe if I touch it over here, you see me touching the grass. Another day I came out here, I see more animals coming out. I seen a beaver one day. The turtles actually came out the water, which they usually don't do. They were out. So they definitely are listening, So it's just amazing just to see the wildlife come out, and they're not afraid, or they might peek out, and then if they hear somebody, they might run back. But it's just amazing that they come out, period. And so I'm gonna just play my bowl and do a little relaxing. light. Sending peace your way. Sending love. Sending abundance. Sending positive change. Sending a sound mind. Sending confirmations. Just know that you are loved. Know that you are protected. Know that you have abundance. And the things that you've asked for is already done. It's already done. And just because you don't see it, it doesn't mean you don't have it. It may mean that you're not ready for it just yet. So be patient. Be persistent. Don't stop. Continue to work. Because God is doing His work. So with all things, give gratitude. Be happy. Show love. Because great things are on the way. And I say with all that you do, just continue to live your life on purpose. Because that's the best thing to do. So enjoy your Monday. Sending love and light to everybody.